Welcome back. Today I'm diving into a super useful tool that can help you grow your email list and boost brand awareness without spending a fortune. It's called KingSumo, available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Click the link to grab it before it's gone. KingSumo is a viral giveaway platform that easily runs contests to bring in tons of new subscribers, perfect for solopreneurs and small business owners. Let's talk about what makes KingSumo so awesome. You can run unlimited giveaways and customize entry options for more chances to win. It integrates with tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, and supports 20+ languages, including Spanish, French, and German. Best part? It's a one-time purchase, no monthly fees, with lifetime access and future updates included. Most users love how simple it is to use, rated around 3.9 out of 5 stars. It truly helps you grow fast through viral giveaways. If you're serious about building your email list and audience, KingSumo is worth checking out. Click the link to grab the deal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tools and tips to grow your business. Thanks for watching.